Hello friends, my name is Ramasud. Today we shall talk about a topic that how you can start earning through Deepseek. Friend, today's topic is very interesting and very important nowadays. Obviously, we all knows that it's very important that if you can start earning in a passive income way, so it's very important for you. So first of all, I want to give you an idea that if you work on this idea, it will help you to start earning online. Friend, first of all, I will just want to show you a website of I Love PDF. This website has many tools are available for PDF. For example, merge PDF, split PDF, PDF to Word. So all these are the tools through which you can use to for PDF. For let me give you an example. For example, PDF to JPG, PDF to, JPG to PDF. For example, this tool JPEG to PDF. So when I click on this link, it will give an option to me that if I select an image, it will convert that image to PDF. So friend, first of all, you have to understand this is a very good website and it is earning a lot. So you can use the same idea for for your earning as well, and you can make such website in a very simple and just in minutes you can make such website. So I will just take an example of JPEG to PDF tool. So what I will do, I will take the help from Deepseek, and by using the Deepseek I will create a tool, a website in minutes. The Deepseek has a power that it can create such type of tool in just few minutes, and using that tool you can start earning. So I am taking a tool that it will take an image and convert that image to PDF. So how I will do it, I have already a prompt I have already written down. So I will just give a prompt to Deepseek. What it is written here, that I want to create a website for an online image to PDF converter. Use HTML, CSS and JavaScript for that, and use additional features as well, like PDF page spread or border editing options, and use free resources, and website should be functional within HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and don't go out of this. So that means it will create a website, okay, and which basically it will take an input as an image and convert that image to PDF. And also it will use only HTML, CSS and JavaScript. It will not use any other resource, because it will use any other resource, for example any paid resource, obviously you can't use that resource. So it will totally based on HTML, CSS and Java for that. So what I will do, I will just click here the button, and then you will notice that it will start making the website. So now you will notice that it start thinking about it. Okay, first of all it is thinking, then what is the requirement actually, and then it start thinking and creating the steps required. Friend, I just want to discuss here meantime when it is creating the website. Just try to understand the power of AI here. Okay, just think of that how much it is intelligent, that I have just given a few lines of code, few lines of prompt, actually not only the code, not just only a prompt, and how much intelligent this tool, that based on that simple prompt it is creating a very good and very extensive level website. If you think that you have to make such website by your own self, so you can understand that how much time it will require to you. Maybe 1 week, maybe 2 week, maybe 3 week, it depends on your coding, your expertise. So now here you will notice that it's completed its thought. Now it is creating, now it is writing the code here, it is writing the HTML code. Okay, and it is now creating the whole writing the code for the image to PDF converter. All the nitty-gritties, all the syntax, it always be followed by the Deepseek, and you have to just give and prompt and it will create it. Secondly friend, that you also notice that you can create lots of tools by using such type of prompt to the DeepSeek. And also you just need a hosting website, okay, hosting a place at which you can upload that such types of tools, and through when the traffic will be generated on those tools, you will start earning from that tool. So friend, you just need to be creative, you just need to be a problem solver, and you will start creating those tools. Not only the just I'm just giving an example of image to PDF converter. You can also create some other tools as well. It depends on your thoughts, it depends on the needs of the customer, but also you have to be very good in the SEO as well, because see, the SEO is very important, because when you upload such tools on the website, on the hosting website, so the it is very important that SEO should be available. So friend, right now it is creating the HTML code, and once this it will complete, so I will just copy that code into a file, and I will run it, and I will show you that how much it is easy to create a image to PDF converter. In I think just few minutes you can create such website. After that you just need a hosting website at which you have to place, and then the SEO will be required, so a proper traffic should be generated on those websites. So friend, just give some few minutes, few seconds, in meantime it will complete the code, so that we can use that code. Also you will notice that it is not only writing the HTML code, it is writing the JavaScript, it is also writing the CSS. So friend, notice that you just need to focus on your business idea, just need to focus on the business idea. All the technical things will be handled by the DeepSeek, or you can say the AI. It will create whatever you want to create, okay. Like you don't need to worry about the technical things. All the technical things will be handled by the DeepSeek, and you only focus on your idea or your thoughts. So friend, you will notice that the coding has all been done. Now it is just telling you the idea that the code is now ready. So what I will do, I will just go there, and the whole syntax or code is now ready, and here is an option that you can run that code, you can download that code, and you can copy. So what I will do, I will just click on the copy option. I have just copied the code, and then I will open a notepad, and then just simply copy that code here and save that file as index.html, and here you must have to select the all files. Not, it will not be a .txt file, it will be a index.html. So I will just save that file as index.html. So friend, I have saved the file index.html. I will go here, this is the index.html. Now I will click here on the index.html file, and I want to see that how my file look like. So friend, this is the feature, advanced image to PDF converter. You can see like simple page, spread, grid. There are so many options are there. Image adjustment, letter, like legal. So many images are options are there. um, so what you can do, okay, so this is the image how it looks like. So first of all I will click, like this is the image. uh, I will select that image, okay, and um, you can also notice that there are so many other options are available. A4 size, legal, and just take it as an example here, okay. um, I have selected one image per page. Also, okay, so I will click here, generate PDF. So PDF has been generated. I will click download PDF. Okay, then friend, after downloading the PDF image will look like this. Okay, so you will notice that the image has been converted to a PDF. So friend, how much it is easy nowadays to convert like the image to PDF and use that tools for your purpose. So friend, thank you, thanks a lot for watching the video.